In this video, we introduce Kiara. Kiara is the best chatbot for real-time translation. It is available in 100 languages. In this demo, when I type a message in English, it will be translated into Chinese, French, Japanese, and Spanish. This kind of translation can solve huge communication problems in international collaboration. Kiara allows 7 billion people to communicate with each other without stress. With very simple design, we can easily add and remove languages. We will provide Kiara for cross-border use cases, including international software development and various industries such as retail, education, and tourism. When I mention Kiara in the Slack window, we can add languages. When I want to delete a language, that can be done easily as well. That's it. Thank you for watching.